Good morning to one and all. I am Dr. Mrs. Vasanti Kishore Revatkar, Head and Associate Professor, Sri Department of Botany, Sri Gnanesh Mahavidyalaya, Navargaon, District Chandrapur. My college is affiliated to Gondwana University, Gadchiroli. In this lecture, I will be elaborating the topic Solanaceae. The content covered will be systematic position of this family Solanaceae, diagnostic feature, important genera, distribution of the plants, habit and habitat, vegetative characters, reproductive characters, and economic importance of this family. Systematic position of this family according to well-known Bentham and Hooker system of classification. The group of the plant which having the seed-bearing plant is called as phanerogam. Division Dicotyledon, subdivision Gamopetalae, series Bicarpellati, order Polymonalis, and the family Solanaceae. The diagnostic feature of this family are the plants are herbaceous to rarely woody, often climbers, gamopetalous corolla. Actinomorphic flowers are actinomorphic, very slightly zygomorphic. Stamens are same number and alternate with the corolla lobes and epipetalous. Ovary mostly bilocular with numerous ovules on axial placentation. Carpels placed obliquely in the flower. There are 85 genera in this family and near about 2200 species in this family. Some of them are which are the important and which found in our country are Solanum melangina, commonly called as brinjal, Solanum tuberosum, it is called as potato, Solanum xanthocarpium, it is called as ringni also, Capsicum flutens, it is lal mirch, then Sistrum nocturnum, Ratkirani or queen of night, Datura stramonium, Atropha belladonna, Lycopersicon esculendus, commonly called as tomato, Viteveria somniferum, and Petunia. Distribution of this family. There are about 85 genera and more than 2200 species in this family. The members are commonly distributed in tropical and subtropical regions of the world. Habitat of this family. The members of this family are mostly annual herbs. Sometimes they are perennial herbs. Example Solanum xanthocarpium and Sistrum nocturnum. They are the shrubs. Some are small trees. Example Datura species. Vegetative characters of this family. Roots are taproot and branched. Stem, it is erect, branched, herbaceous, cylindrical, solid, glabrous or sometimes hairy. Leaf, simple, alternate, colline and ramal, petiolate or subsessile, exstipulate, ovate, dentate, acute, unicostate reticulate venation and mostly green in color. Reproductive characters are inflorescence, flower and fruit. Inflorescence is generally cymose, extra axillary, subumbellate type. Flowers are ebracteate, pedicellate, hermaphrodite that is bisexual, actinomorphic, pentamerous, complete, hypogynous and colored. Fruit of the family is berry or septicidal capsule. In this family, the flower which is present, there are parts of flower. The first part is calyx. It is made up of 5 sepals, gamosepalous, and calyx are persistent and often much enlarged in fruit, and they are green in color. Corolla. Petals 5, gamopetalous, funnel shaped, rotate to tubular, variously shaped and valvate and colored. Androecium. The stamens are 5, sometimes 4 to only 2 also. They are epipetalous and alternate to the petal. The anthers are 2-celled. Intros, dehiscence by longitudinal slit. Gynoecium. There are 2 carpels. It is called as bicarpellary. Syncarpus, ovary superior, bilocular, sometimes tetralocular due to the false septum. Placentation, axial, ovules many, Carpels placed oblique in the flower. Style single, stigma bilobed or capitate. Fruit is berry or septicidal capsule. Economic importance of this family. There are many plants which can be used as a vegetable. Some of they are brinjal, commonly called as Solanum melangena. The plants, it is also called as eggplant because the shape of the fruits is like a egg. There is another plant, Solanum tuberosum, commonly called as potato. It is very economically important due to its starch content. Another plant which is economically important is Lycopersicon esculentus, commonly called as tomato, and it is used in vegetable. It is used in as well as sauces. The another plant is called as Capsicum flutens. It is commonly called as chili or mirch. It is used as a condiment, spice, or it is used in a vegetable also. Another plant, economically important plant, is Datura species, which is used as a medicinal plant. Another one is Sistrum nocturnum. It is also called as Ratkirani or Queen of Night due to the fragrance, beautiful fragrance present in the flower, and the flowers are bloom at night. That's why it is called as the Queen of Night. Another very important plant which is economically highly important is called as Nicotiana tobacco. Nowadays, tobacco chewing persons are growing on. The number of persons they use tobacco in the form of BD, cigarette. Also, they are. That's why the Nicotiana tobacco is very important economically also. Another plant is Vetiveria somnifera, commonly is called as ashwagandha. And this is also medicinally important plant. And the next plant is the Atropa bellodina. It is also the medicinally important. Thank you very much for hearing me patiently.